Hey everyone, my name's Nicole from the YouTube channel HealthNut Nutrition, and today I'm here with Kid Food Nation and two very special guests. I have Jahneya here and Darius.
Hi.
Welcome, thanks for being here. So today we are talking about food and why it's important to eat a variety in different shapes, sizes, and textures, because did you know different foods are good for different parts of the body?
Oh.
Yeah, it's really actually interesting. So today we're gonna play a little fun matching and guessing game, and I'm gonna have you guys go to the test to figure out what foods are good for what in the body. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. All right, so to make things a little bit easier, I have a tablet here that has some images of different body parts where you guys can kind of pick what you think the food is good for. So we're gonna start with an easy one. So you guys can each have a grape, and I want you guys to tell me, what do you think grapes are good for? You can look at the images to help you out. This is a bit of a tricky one.
I think it's the bone.
The bones?
The lungs?
You think are the lungs? So you're right. The lungs, the grapes are good for your lungs. So they're gonna help you breathe better, and grapes are good. You can put them in a chicken salad, you can have them on a cheese and cracker plate, or you can just eat them straight up like you guys are doing now.
I love grapes. Me too.
All right, so this next one is one of my favorites when it comes to nuts. It is a walnut. Now, if you actually take two of them together, it might give you a hint of what they're good for. But walnuts are so great in trail mix. They're good on salads. Everything's good on salads, let's be honest. So he doesn't agree with me. So what do you think the walnut looks like?
Your brain.
Yes, so the walnuts are great for your brain health. So do you guys wanna have one? Maybe. I can already feel us getting smarter.
Now we know the answer.
All right, next up we have these beans in the corner. Now these are red kidney beans, and beans are great. What do you eat beans in?
Chili.
Chili. You like chili. Chili goes great with everything. Bean soup, tacos.
Aren't they good for kids because they're called kidneys?
What do you think kidneys are good for? Kidney beans.
You just told us.
Maybe I gave you a hint.
Kidney beans are good for kidneys.
Yeah, so this one's kind of an easy one. So kidney beans are really good for your kidneys.
And they look like them.
They do, right? So that's the great thing about some of these foods. They really do look like the food that they're good for.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, there you have it. That is an easy guide to help you guys figure out what foods are good for what in the body. Thank you so much, guys. You did great. High fives all around. And if you guys want more ideas and recipes, be sure to head to kidfoodnation.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. They're going, they're done.